Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a quilt block. The name of the block is called the Churn Dash. It's super fun and easy to make. And supplies needed is 5-inch squares. We need 4 of the light colored, 4 of the dark, and then 1 square at 4.5 inches. Well, let's get started. We begin by building our blocks. We're going to add 1 light to 1 dark fabric with right sides together, and that's going to prepare a block for sewing. And now we're going to begin with 2 blocks drawing diagonal lines from corner to corner. And what I like to do when I'm adding my trace markings, I like to start in the center so that way it doesn't distort my fabric. And this is just optional, but I like to pin my blocks. In the remaining 2 blocks, we're going to be sewing with a scant 1/4 inch on each side. And when I'm quilting, I do like to use starters and enders for the stitching. And I also like to chain piece my pieces. And now we're going to trim apart our blocks and remove the pins, and then we're going to be cutting on the diagonal block on the trace line. And you can cut with the rotary cutter and your ruler or even scissors. The other block we're going to be cutting at 2.5 inches parallel of the seams. And now we're going to be ironing our blocks toward the dark fabric. And now trim to 4.5 inches. And now it's time to arrange your blocks for stitching. Your half pieces, arrange the dark ones toward the center, add the center block, and then our half square triangles. And now we have 3 columns. We're going to place column 2 onto column 1 blocks, pin, and sew. And we do so with a scant 1/4 of an inch. And now we're going to add column 3 to column 2. Now sew with a scant 1/4 of an inch. Once sewn, we're going to press the seams that we've sewn to relax them on each side, and then we're going to be ironing the top and bottom row into one direction and the center the opposite. And once ironed, we're going to be connecting row 1 and row 2 together. I'm going to begin by pinning the 2 ends, and then we're going to be nesting our 2 seams together. And now we're going to be nesting the seams. We line up our seams that we sewn, and as you can tell, one seam was ironed one way and the other the opposite. We stack on top of each other and pin. And when I pin my seams to keep my points, is I like to pin in a diagonal fashion. And repeat the same technique on row 2 to row 3. And then sew with a scant 1/4 of an inch. And now we're going to iron our seams and our block is complete. And then what I like to do is get my 12.5 inch ruler, and if I need to trim or even the excess threads, then I do that, but it's ready to go. Now our quilt block is complete. See, wasn't that a fun and simple block to make? And also did a Ohio Start tutorial, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box and also in the iCard. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Happy sewing, and see you next time.